Bijli girl. So I kind of had a day off. It wasn't planned, but yes, ultimately I ended up doing nothing. So here I am. Yes, I am still in Delhi, and thank you for the compliment. And yes, काफ़ी दिनों से सोच रही थी कि I'll be dancing in this song, and I like the steps also. Like the hook steps are really nice, you know. So I thought of doing, and I didn't have any work, so I thought, why not? And probably in a good mood, so be it. um हाँ अच्छा सबकी डीपी सेम है यस आंखें बंद करके बहुत जल्द हम रिलीज़ करने वाले हैं एंड मतलब रिलीज़ होने वाला है एंड देन you know I hope you like the song. The video is amazing and you guys are gonna enjoy the story as well. It's very different. It's not like normal जितना आज तक मैंने किया है वैसा नहीं है उससे बहुत अलग है एंड बी लाइव वाज डन यू नो द इंटायर टीम वाज अमेजिंग and everyone is too good, like they're very sweet as well. And um आई स्टिल यू नो एक होता है ना कि जब आप कुछ करते हो बेसिकली एक कुछ गाना वाना करते हो या फिर आई हैव दिस हैबिट या तो वो बैक ऑफ द माइंड चलता ही रहेगा सो दिस इज व्हाट्स हैपनिंग राइट नाउ एंड आई एम लाइक ना 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 अरे थैंक यू so much. I mean, dance steps are like the common steps only which I just caught up. I wanted to do because I love the song and also the beats and the steps, of course. So I did it. Sing a song. Yes, of course. Why not? Because मैं कुछ कर नहीं रही फिलहाल. So yes. आंखें बंद करके बस इतना ही गाऊंगी बिकॉज आगे तक ज़्यादा गा नहीं सकती. गाना लॉन्च नहीं हुआ है सो आई ओनली सिंग. अभी ने जितना गाना गाया है इसमें ही इज़ अ वेरी नाइस सिंगर, गुड सिंगर एंड आई होप दैट यू गाइज विल लव द सॉन्ग. Deba, tell now, why are you in Delhi? I am here because I wanted to come to Delhi since long, and also there's some work. That's something that I'm doing right now. Some kind of work. जो फिलहाल I can't say. I'll tell you. I'll let you guys know. जब वो perfect time आएगा, वो कब आएगा मुझे नहीं पता, but definitely आएगा. तो सही because I'm working on it right now. Do meet and greet in Delhi. Please invite me somewhere, as in just sharing. If you guys definitely love me, of course I know you guys do, and I'm glad and thankful. And also one more thing I'd like to say, so recently I have noticed some things. You know, always stay positive. Never spread hatred towards other people and stuff. Always ठीक है, if you don't like that person, that's your own perception and it's completely fine because that's ultimately your decision. But always share positivity, never spread negativity. You don't like something, fine, okay, fine. If you matlab, you don't have to go and keep telling people कि this is this and this is so bad. This is a very negative thought. I don't know why I just said, because I have noticed some things on my account lately, so I just felt like saying. But anyways, life's good, you guys are good, and I love you guys, and I always thank you guys for supporting me so much. बैंगलोर कब आओगे आप? इनवाइट करो, क्यों नहीं आऊँगी? थैंक यू. hair yaar. I had oh, happy birthday Arpita. I'm trying to read the comments as well. Are you married? No, of course I'm not. No. When will I return? अच्छा, मुंबई कब आऊँगी? Maybe third. Like, I'm not sure, but maybe third. Please ऐसे एक dance reels बनाओ. Bijli reel was amazing. Please once. Enjoy Bijli right now. I'll definitely upload something soon again. You should visit Aero City in Gurugram, especially in evening. हाँ, आज की evening तो चलो. I'll definitely plan. I don't know. I'll call up some of my friends as well. So I'm meeting one of my friend today. He's an amazing choreographer and a dancer, and I knew him. So we were planning कि चल whenever I come to Delhi, I will catch up and stuff, but never हो नहीं पाया. But yes, ultimately, you are correct as everyone has different. Exactly. But इसका मतलब ये नहीं ना. For example, I just read Geeta Shri Gupta का comment. She said you are correct as everyone has different perspective. For different people. That's completely fine. वो आप ही सोचा जैसे भी सोचना चाहो पर किसी को ना नफरत के सिरे से ना देखो तो ही बेहतर है. Because अगर if that person has done nothing wrong to you, then you don't have to spread so much of negativity and hatred towards that person, right? I mean, that person is doing what he or she wants to do, or जो उसको वो चाहते हैं, तो उनका भी अपना परसेप्शन है ना. So, जैसे आप सब लोग का परसेप्शन है, कुछ लोगों का परसेप्शन है, उनका भी अपना ही परसेप्शन है. So it's better not to spread hatred, rather spread love and happiness, and the world is beautiful. I don't know what I'm saying. Love from Pakistan, love from Dibatma to Pakistan. मतलब जितने भी वहाँ पे हैं. I love you deeply. Maybe upcoming projects. I hardly share anything about my projects इतना जल्दी. So once it's done, you'll definitely come to know. Please no यार braces क्यों लगाओ मैं बताओ आप. Yeah, so in my t-shirt love wins लिखा हुआ है. I like this crop top basically. So I'm just reading all the comments because इतने सारे आ गए. I'm just scrolling नीचे. Born to Shine. I love Diljit Dosanjh. So I absolutely love him. I mean, his nature is also so good, and he's of course a star. I mean, he's a good, kind-hearted person. That's what I feel. When you look at him, you feel like you're seeing such a happy, jolly person. I mean, such a vibe. Hi Tatu, nothing. I'm just sitting idle. I didn't have any work today. I got a day off, so yes, I am here. Came to Majama? Yes, Majama. Love from UK, same from my side as well. Oh my god. So by the way 26 November को गाना रिलीज. I don't know क्या था वो, but actually 26 November को गाना रिलीज. Most probably we are not doing it, but still जल्दी ही आ रहा है, and you guys are gonna love it because the entire team has worked hard for it, and it's a beautiful song and a video. Ore Piya. Yeah, I can definitely sing that. Ore Piya, Ore Piya, Ore Piya, Ore Piya. रे पिया है ओ रे पिया. I just felt like singing, yeah. But yes, no Riyaz, nothing, so of course, pardon me. Apart from, I don't know, man. सुकून. सुकून मिला, सुकून मिला. Boxer, hi Vineet, I'm good, I'm doing good here. Filhal, I'm just trying to find for search and, एक second, I just got a call. Okay, I got it. Cool. Oh god, it's gone, it's gone. Zara, Zara. I'm gonna upload that video also soon, and I'm not doing a cover for my YouTube, rather it's a cover for Instagram. Instagram के लिए cover बना रही हूँ ज़रा ज़रा पे, बस उसका video shoot होना बाकी है, where I'm only singing, like I'm just doing a cover. And YouTube के लिए videos will be better, and अब से original songs गाऊंगी YouTube में. So yes.